Hello, thank you so much for agreeing to trial the Green Gut Glow Trio, and I know you're going to love it. So I'm just going to take you through just the quick basic instructions and a little bit of how it works. So it's the Greens Gut Glow. So the first one is your greens. Now you have a little pot like this to try, which is exactly the right amount for 3 days. And it's equivalent to 3 teaspoons per serving. When you buy the full pot, you get the little scoop, which is exactly 1 serving. So the greens, the Superfoods greens have a 36 concentrated vegetables and fruits and huge amounts of vitamins and minerals to give you that kind of really zingy start and make sure that you're getting your day off well. So just pop that into a glass of cold water or lukewarm if you want it. I like to stir with a fork because it breaks things up much more easily. So just give it a little shake, a little stir with the fork. And that starts to break down. The bright green comes from the spirulina and the barley grass and those kind of really deep phytonutrients that we get from this. So your next one is your gut. So this little sachet has a mix of pre and probiotics. So the biotics that help eliminate the bad bacteria and feed the good. But the genius thing about this one is that it also contains digestive enzymes, and the digestive enzymes help you absorb all the nutrients from your food, or more effectively absorb the nutrients from the food that you eat for the rest of the day. This is why the Greens Gut Glow can be taken at any time of the day, but I like to do it first thing. But you know, if you're one of these people who's got to have your cup of tea first, then do have your cup of tea first and have this a bit later. So that's your gut, and then we finish with the Glow, which is collagen. So this little stick of skin elixir is collagen building from hyaluronic acid, and collagen helps pump up the skin, helps keep your muscles and joints strong, makes your hair shine, and just gives you that all-round glow, which is why we call it the Green Gut Glow. So whisk it up. When it's dispersed, drink and enjoy. Healthy start to the day. You'll feel less bloated, more energized and ready to go. Thanks for watching.